To start, you must spend less than you earn. If you spend everything you have, you will never have the opportunity to amass a fortune. The majority of Americans fall short here. The majority of Americans work hard to afford pleasant things like luxury goods, fast automobiles, and enjoyable holidays. However, if you only spend your money, you'll never get rich. To make more money, you must work. There will always be a limit to how many expenses you can cut, no matter how frugal you are. However, there is no cap on the amount of money you can make. Third, you need to invest the money you save. In the same way, you cannot get wealthy by spending all of your money. Saving all of your money won't make you rich either. If you want to be wealthy, you must invest your money. What places do you invest in? Stocks, real estate, commercial enterprises, and your education. The good news is that you may begin investing with less than $100, even though it may seem very intimidating. You just need to get going. Before you can make others around you wealthy, you must first become wealthy. The folks who are getting rich are Lululemon, Gucci, and Apple, not to mention their stockholders, too. Even though you appear wealthy when you wear Lululemon leggings, a Gucci belt, and Apple AirPods. You are the one who isn't becoming wealthy. You must turn it around. By investing your money, you can first become wealthy. When you have the money, go out and purchase as much Lululemon, Gucci, and Apple as you like. The biggest financial error people commit is doing nothing. Our most valuable resource is time, and money takes time to accumulate. If you don't start, your time will be wasted, and you won't achieve any results. Start now. The finest instructor is experience, which you can only have by acting now. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online and build a passive income stream. I have my affiliate marketing links listed below on this channel. Please click on them now and discover the best affiliate marketing program we are very proud to be a part of, which is online business. App affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and low-risk form of marketing for businesses and affiliates alike. By understanding how affiliate marketing works and following some best practices, anyone can become a successful affiliate marketer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we thank you again for being a part of our community channel. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income and affiliate marketing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777. Have a beautiful day today.